Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving into the DJI Avata 3, the next step in FPV drone evolution. With upgraded performance, cutting-edge features, and an immersive flying experience, is this the ultimate FPV drone for creators and enthusiasts alike? Stick around as we break down everything this powerhouse has to offer. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in drone technology. Camera and imaging. Equipped with a high-performance 4K camera, the DJI Avata 3 delivers breathtaking visuals with exceptional clarity and vibrant colors. Its advanced gimbal stabilization system ensures buttery-smooth footage even during high-speed maneuvers. With a wide dynamic range, it captures intricate details in both bright and shadowed areas, making it perfect for cinematic shots. The Avata 3 supports HDR video, further enhancing the overall quality of your content. Whether shooting in 24 frames per second for a cinematic look or higher frame rates for action-packed scenes, this drone caters to all types of content creators. Design and build quality. The DJI Avata 3 builds upon its predecessor's rugged yet compact design, featuring a durable frame built to withstand the rigors of FPV flying. Its lightweight construction enhances agility, while reinforced materials provide added resistance to minor crashes and impacts. With an aerodynamic profile that minimizes drag, the Avata 3 achieves impressive flight efficiency. LED indicators enhance visibility, and its sleek, modern aesthetic strikes a perfect balance between functionality and style. The modular design makes maintenance and upgrades easier, making it a great choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Flight performance. When it comes to flight performance, the DJI Avata 3 stands out with precise controls and responsive handling. An upgraded propulsion system delivers higher speeds and greater agility, enabling dynamic aerial maneuvers. With an extended flight time of up to 25 minutes, pilots can enjoy longer sessions capturing stunning aerial footage. Advanced obstacle avoidance sensors provide an extra layer of safety, allowing confident navigation through complex environments. The drone also features customizable flight modes, catering to both casual users and professional pilots, while improved wind resistance ensures stability even in challenging conditions. Immersive FPV experience. Designed for the ultimate FPV experience, the DJI Avata 3 pairs seamlessly with DJI's latest FPV goggles and controllers. The goggles offer high-resolution live streaming with minimal latency, providing an unparalleled real-time first-person perspective. Customizable flight modes, including manual and cinematic options, cater to pilots of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced FPV enthusiast, the intuitive controls make flying more accessible while offering professional-level capabilities. Safety features. Safety is a top priority for DJI, and the Avata 3 comes packed with advanced features. Omnidirectional obstacle sensors help detect and avoid potential collisions, while the return-to-home function ensures a safe return in case of signal loss or low battery. Geofencing technology prevents drones from entering restricted areas, helping users stay compliant with local regulations. These safety features provide peace of mind, making the Avata 3 a reliable companion for all your aerial adventures. Battery life and charging. The DJI Avata 3 is equipped with an enhanced battery system that offers up to 25 minutes of flight time per charge. This extended endurance allows for longer shooting sessions, ensuring you capture every moment. The batteries are designed for quick swaps, reducing downtime and maximizing productivity. Fast charging capabilities mean you're back in the air quickly, making the Avata 3 perfect for content creators on the go. Remote control and connectivity. The drone's ergonomic remote control system provides precise and responsive inputs, offering an enhanced flying experience. The controller's intuitive design ensures comfort during extended sessions, while customizable buttons allow quick access to essential features. Improved transmission technology extends the drone's range, providing stable connectivity over greater distances. With support for the DJI Fly app, users can access real-time telemetry, adjust settings, and view live feeds on their mobile devices, making the flying experience even more immersive. Find My Drone feature. Losing a drone is every pilot's nightmare, but with DJI's advanced Find My Drone feature, you can easily track its last known location via GPS. The feature provides real-time maps and directional indicators, helping you retrieve your drone efficiently. Additionally, the Avata 3 emits audible beeps, making it easier to locate in dense environments. This functionality adds an extra layer of security and ensures that your investment is protected. Conclusion. The DJI Avata 3 represents a major leap forward in FPV drone technology. Combining cutting-edge features, exceptional performance, and a user-friendly design, it is the perfect choice for both recreational and professional drone pilots. With an upgraded camera, immersive FPV capabilities, and extended battery life, the Avata 3 offers tremendous value for aerial content creation. Whether you're an experienced FPV flyer or just getting started, this drone equips you with the tools to explore the skies with confidence and creativity. Thank you for tuning into Techno Trend Zone. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech reviews. Join the Techno Trend Zone community and stay ahead in the world of drone technology. Until next time, keep exploring, innovating, and flying high with Techno Trend Zone.